In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, it turned blue. That means that location is enabled. To disable it, click on the same shortcut until it's white. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll all the way down to click on Location section, and click on this switcher next to Location Services to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!